Okay, one sum we have here, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx equal to 0. We have to prove that x is equal to y is equal to z. Okay, so let's see how to start the sum here. So we have x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is equal to 0. Okay, the first thing what we'll do here, we multiply throughout the equation by 2. So this becomes 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx is equal to 2 into 0. The next system that becomes 0 only. Okay, so now this will do here, x square plus x square plus y square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2xz is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to just rearrange properly. Look at this here, x square, okay, and then minus 2xy plus y square will take one bracket. Okay, we have taken the x square, we have taken the y square, we have taken the 2xy. Same way now we'll take here y square minus 2yz plus z square. Same way we'll do now here, plus z square minus 2xz plus x square equal to 0. If you see here properly, it is x square minus 2 into x into y plus y square, which is nothing but x minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square equal to 0. Okay, x minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square equal to 0. Then what is the next step we'll do here? X minus y the whole square, okay, plus y minus z the whole square. Okay, so x minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square equal to 0. That means we can say each term equal to 0. So this equal to 0, y minus z is equal to 0, the whole square equal to 0, and z minus x the whole square equal to 0. Okay, that means x minus y equal to 0 or y minus z equal to 0 or z minus x equal to 0. So we can say here x is equal to y, or we can say y is equal to z, or z is equal to x. So indirectly here x is equal to y is equal to z. Okay, that we have to prove in the beginning. X is equal to y equal to z. Okay, so this way we can prove the sum. So here the